Hello everyone, this is Shaista. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss Botany question paper, course code BBYCT 137, season June 2024, plant physiology and metabolism. In my first question, fill in the blanks. Question number first. Cell to cell movement to water during symplastic pathway take place across plasmodesmata. And you can see question number second, third. Avena curvature test was proposed by F.W. Wendt in 1928. And next question number first का B. Choose the correct option. And next question number 1 का C. Define the following terms. Question number first. Imbibition, absorption spectrum. Third, chemiosynthesis. Fourth, vernalization. Fifth, respiratory quiescent. This is the definition of imbibition. The process of a solid substance absorbing a liquid without forming a solution, resulting in an increase in volume. And second, absorption spectrum. You can see the definition of chemosynthesis, vernalization, respiratory quiescent. And next question number second का first. Describe the composition of photosynthetic apparatus in chloroplast. So this is the explanation of question number second A. And question number second का B. Define photodespirations. What are the strategy employed by plants to reduce photorespiration? And this is the answer of photorespiration. What are the strategy employed by plants to reduce photorespiration? You can see many methods. And next question number third A. Describe the role of phloem elements during the events of loading and unloading. And next third B. What is the composition of phloem azotite? How do the amphibians help in analyzing the phloem shape? So guys, this question is very important. You can see phloem's events during the events of loading and unloading. This question many times repeat. So focus in this question. And this is the question 5. Describe the glycolysis pathway with the help of appropriate schematic diagram. So it's again important question. So you can see many times repeat this question. So it's very important. So you can focus in this question. This is the explanation of glycolysis. The steps involved in glycolysis are many. Next, question number 6. First, discuss the physiological function of ethylene in plants' growth and development. So you can see ethylene is a gaseous plant part regulator that has many physiological functions: fruit ripening, growth, this is the function of ethylene. Senseness. Ethylene promotes the senseness of leaves and flowers, dormancy, herbaceation, defense response. And also root growth. Ethylene inhibits root growth by affecting cell elongation. Ethylene is produced by most plant organs, including ripening fruits and aging tissue. It's also produced by some bacteria, archaea, and fungi. And next question B. Explain phytochrome mediated response in plants. It's also important question because you can see in my many videos many times repeat this question. Phytochrome mediated response are light induced response in plants that are caused by action of phytochromes, which are light sensitive proteins that access photoreceptors. You can see explanation. And next, my question 7. 7 का फर्स्ट, डिस्कस द फैक्टर्स दैट अफेक्ट द रेट ऑफ एंजाइम एक्टिविटी. 7b, डिस्कस द कंसेप्ट ऑफ holozyme. Both question explanation is below. The rate of enzyme activity affected by several factors. This is the answer of 7a. And this is the answer of 7b, holozoic enzyme. Some key points about holoenzyme function. Holoenzyme functions similar to other enzymes but are faster and more stable due to presence of their cofactor. You can see cofactor explanation, apoenzyme. This is my last question. Write short notes. Active transport. Second, role of heat shock protein in stress tolerance. Cryptochromes. And fourth, chemiosmotic mechanism of ATP synthesis. This is the explanation of active transport. The movement of molecules or ions across a cell membrane from a regions of lower concentration to a regions of higher concentrations against the concentrations gradient. Active transport requires cellular energy to achieve this movement. And next 8 का B, heat shock protein. Short notes. And next, cryptochromes. Short notes. Question number 8 का third, flavin containing blue light photoreceptors related to photolysis. They are found in both plants and animals and have recently been described for bacteria. In plants, cryptochromes perform a variety of functions including the entrainment of cardiac rhythms. And last, chemiosmotic mechanism of ATP synthesis is a process that uses proton gradients to generate ATP. Proton gradients, ATP synthesis, electron transport chain. Chemiosmotic mechanism occurs mitochondria and chloroplast. So guys, you can see the whole answer. And if you like this video, then like and subscribe these channels and comments in comments box which question paper next discuss. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.